Elizabeth. My name is Chrysostomo, and this here is my fellow port buddy, Emiliano.
Ah, oui! Hola! So glad you could join us here in Port Elizabeth. Now, before you get too wrapped up in the beauty of the islands, we have some pointers for you.
Yes, we do. So pay attention and have some fun this weekend. First, make sure you have your ID, whatever that is.
When we travel, we always fly. It will make it easier for you to go through island customs. Also, make sure if you have a ticket printed out, show it to the kind folks at Island Registration.
Good point, Emiliano. Also make sure to tell the nice folks if you re-registered last year or online. There are 2 lines marked above the island registration window. Check to make sure which one you are in. Once through port registration, you can begin exploring the island, but we should fill you in on a few details. You ready, Emiliano?
I'm always ready there, buddy. Look, this year there are more signs explaining what to do and where to go. So make sure you read the signs carefully. Some will have specific instructions.
Oh, like phonograph instruction?
Not quite. Specific details on when things are open or shut down. Times for the tea room and vending area here on the island. So everyone has time to buy treasure or 2. There are more signs for special events, like the 2 separate dances we'll be having, especially start times. And por favor, remember, if you need extra time or accessible seating, you can go to the front of the lines for special attention. Don't forget,
There are times posted for panels on every room, but you can also pick up a handy schedule if you want. Panels last 1 hour and 30 minutes. The last 15 minutes are for cleanup and setup of the next speaker, so plan accordingly.
great point, Crisostomo. The weekend will go so much smoother if you take a few minutes to plan out your activities in advance. If you plan to take Maker's Panel, there are sign-up sheets by the Maker's Room on this floor. This is for both this floor and the 10th floor panels. We also will have special activities throughout the weekend with special story plans and exciting parts played out right here on the island.
You never know who or what you might run into. Maybe a pirate of long ago caught in a curse. Or maybe the town mayor, Mrs. Amelia Whitbread. Or even the old sea hag that haunts the coastline. Ooh, spooky.
Boom! That got you!
You dirty bird.
You can start picking up your evening dinner tickets at 1 p.m. here in Town Square. You must pick them up and have them to enter the function. All 3 dinners are in the far port. You'll see directions for them as you walk down the beach.
If you have questions, please see the attendant or the front desk and ask them to help you. Also, we heard His Majesty is coming to Port Elizabeth. If you have any concerns or need help, he's the guy to see.
Well, congratulations! You made it! So sit back, relax, and have fun for the next few days.